Okay, so it's been a while we reached here, and but the check-in time here was actually 2 o'clock. So that is the reason they didn't allot us the room. They only allotted one room downstairs. So that was my like where my mom and dad are actually staying. So we were there with them all this while for about 1 or 1.5 hours. And also another drawback is that like they don't have any kitchen facilities. I just discovered this fact yesterday. Sorry, like they don't have any restaurant facilities. I just discovered this fact yesterday. But I couldn't make any change to this booking, so I just let it be. And they are actually providing menu cards in each and every room. So we have to order. So I just ordered some food, which is on the way, and it will reach us maybe soon. And we just got our room allotted, and I'll just give you a room tour. So this is the entrance, like from there we came, okay? And the resort name is Le Villagio Resorts and Domes. It's pretty clean and white all over the place. And now this is the entrance. So we are in on the first floor, and this is the sofa table. And we have some sitting arrangements here, some chairs, tables, bottles, and also they have Wi-Fi connection, and they are also providing the password. And this space is very cute, nice lighting, and this is the TV. Okay, now this is the kitchen. So we have a refrigerator here, sink area, and they are not providing us any microwave though. They have a gas unit. This is a hot water kettle, and also they are having some tea and coffee sachets, plates, glasses, cups. Okay, and also shelf if you want to put something here. And this is a kitchen chimney, and you can actually make your morning tea or coffee. Okay, and I'll show you the bedroom first. Now this is the bedroom. Okay, so this is actually a 1 BHK apartment. So we have a nice, it's not a painting, but like sort of a carving over here. And then we have a bed. Curtains. Let me see. So the view from here, like we have some greeneries, some plantations.
Picture of a bird. Look here.
Okay, wait, let me finish the tour. And this is a wardrobe space. So where we can just, keep our luggages. And it's pretty cool. Like, you have so much of space here. Very nice. Okay. And also we have a mirror. Hi. And it's a full length mirror, which is again good. And a sitting stool. And now let me close this one. And we have another window, I guess, here. So this is the entrance, like from where we came. Is it a balcony? No, it's not. It's just a window. Okay. So so if we want to stand over here, we can just go outside there, and we can stand, and or maybe we can sit here. So this is it, and the curtains are quite of a good material. So this painting, I don't know, like stones are embedded. It's kind of a 3D painting. Looks nice. This painting is also very much artistic. I like, so they have actually embedded the seashells over here and painted them. It's really nice. All are seashells, and they have made golden color. Very much creative, very creative. Okay. Now this is the wash basin area, and this is the hand wash, mirror, and this is the washroom. The washroom area is very simple. So there is one lighting. This is the basin. They have provided a unit of toiletries with the lighting, shower, and yeah, normal bucket, mug, toilet. Okay. Now the best part is the view from here. This is the balcony, but actually it is like not. So it is a 1 BHK, but they mentioned that we are not giving any balcony, but it's just a very small space where we can just stand here and we can enjoy this view. And the view is really amazing from here. And also they have some domes, and the domes are a little bit like will give you a luxurious feel, but I actually don't like staying in this dome. And so they have this shared balcony, and they are also providing the cylinder outside.
To
Okay, so
cook
and this is
concept.
our cylinder. Yeah. So if
Hey
we want to,
guys,
yeah. So if we are like if we want to cook some food, we may cook. But actually, I'm not in a mood to cook. So
there is a kitchen.
yeah. So did you like this place?
I wanna
Yes.
swim today.
So this is all about the room tour, and we will very soon give you a property tour as well.